Use a pentalobe screwdriver to remove the two 7.7 millimeter long screws on either side of the charging port. Heat the back glass. Use a suction cup to create a gap on the bottom edge of the back glass. Insert the tip of an opening pick into the gap. Slide the opening pick around the whole back cover to unstick the glue. There is a delicate cable connecting the back glass to the phone, right next to the volume down button. Be careful with your pick here. Swing open the back glass to the right of the phone to separate the remaining adhesive. Remove the two screws securing the middle connector cover and remove it. Use the spudger to pry up and disconnect the press connectors. Remove the back glass. Use tweezers to separate the silver tab. Attach the alligator clips. Black clip to the grounding screw and red clip to the silver tab. Power up the clips and wait 90 seconds to loosen the adhesive. Remove the battery. Use a screwdriver to remove the 4 screws securing the top bracket. Remove the bracket. Use the spudger to pry up and disconnect the press connectors. Lift the front camera out of the frame and remove it. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 screws securing the rear camera assembly. Use the spudger to pry up and disconnect the press connectors. Remove the rear camera assembly. Use a screwdriver to remove the 2 screws securing the Taptic engine bracket. Remove the bracket. Remove the 5 screws securing the loudspeaker. Take out the loudspeaker. Use spudger to disconnect the press connector. Next, use a screwdriver to remove the 2 screws securing the Taptic engine and remove it. Take out the SIM card slot. Use the spudger to pry up and disconnect the press connectors. Use screwdriver to unscrew 2 screws that are holding the SIM card assembly. Next, take out the assembly. Unscrew the screw that is under this assembly. Unscrew 2 screws that are holding this assembly in the frame. Take out the assembly. Unscrew all the remaining screws that are holding the charging connector assembly in the frame. Use the spudger to pry up and disconnect the press connectors. Take out the assembly. Use spudger to disconnect all connectors and pry up the whole assembly. Heat the front glass of the iPhone. Use a suction cup to create a gap between frame and screen. Next, use an opening pick to separate the adhesive around the whole frame and screen that is holding it together. When the adhesive is separated, flip the screen to the left side. Use a screwdriver to remove 2 screws that are holding the connector covers. Take out the connector covers. Use spudger to unplug the connectors. Remove the display. Use a screwdriver to remove all the remaining screws. Lift the 5G antenna off the earpiece speaker and remove it. Use a screwdriver to remove all the remaining screws. Use the spudger to pry up and disconnect the press connectors. Lift the last assembly off the iPhone and we are finished. We successfully tear down the whole iPhone 16.